Here we go, 4th graders. We're going to begin writing a blog. So, let me show you the scale we are working toward. So we are working right down here where we're going to gather and record information with support, list basic facts on a topic using a single source, stay on the same topic throughout the entire text, write with parts of structure. So we're going to look more at C and D with our blog. So here we go. I'm in Edublogs. I clicked up here to get to my post. You need to title it. So what I need to do is I need to write an introduction. So an introduction just begins what you're writing about. So I'm going to say this. So there's the purpose of this blog. The purpose of this blog is to tell the reader about myself. So I wrote a sentence letting them know I am going to tell them about myself. That's how I introduce it. If I just started writing about myself, it wouldn't be very clear. I'm going to hit enter. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to make sure that I have a body. So that just means I'm going to be telling about myself. And stay on topic. Now when we blog, we cannot tell any personal information about us, like names, passwords, email, things like that. We can be general. I am So I wrote a sentence just telling about myself. What I'm going to have you do is write a paragraph just telling about yourself and staying on topic. So I'm going to think about some things I like. Well, I like to watch football and I like to work out, so I'm going to write about that. I want you to try to see how many 7-up sentences you can write. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So at least 7 words. Let's see if we can keep making them 7 words. So now I wrote, I like to be outside. That's only 5, so I need to stretch this out. So what else could I say? Maybe I could say what I like to do outside. I like to bike. So now I've stretched it out. I added that I like to walk my dog. I need to have at least 5 sentences in my paragraph here. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. And I could write maybe a little bit more if I want to tell about myself. So now I added, I'm a comic book nerd. You'll notice this is only a 5-sentence or 5-word sentence. This one's a little bit bigger. Not every sentence has to be 7-up sentences, but most should be. So here's what we've done so far. We've added the introduction, and we've added the body. Then we just have to have an ending. So we can do like a basic ending here. Thanks for reading the blog. And then click publish. So to review, what we did today was we looked at writing an informative text, which is just telling about a topic, and we wrote with proper structure and stayed on the same topic.